In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset camera settings to defaults on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first step, we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, tap at General. Then scroll down to the very bottom and tap at Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap at Reset and it will show you that options. From here, we need to choose Reset All Settings. Yes, guys, the only way to reset camera settings to its defaults is to reset all the settings on your device. Once we tap on it, we'll be asked to enter our device's passcode, and then once you continue, it will reset all the settings to their defaults, including your Apple Pay cards, including your privacy, location settings, network settings such as your Wi-Fi passwords, but it won't remove any of your personal media and data, and all the settings that are reset to their defaults can be configured later. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.